Hey, John. What are you doing?
I'm thinking about something.
Can you share it with me?
I'm trying to decide what kind of animal I would be if I could be an animal.
That's what everyone's thinking.
Let's just both think out loud.
What sort of animal we'd like to be?
Exactly.
Okay.
No,
Right, lost a lot.
The snake or
To the
baby snake.
horse, pony,
The mouse with a pouch.
any sort of fish.
Zebra.
Zebra.
No, I said zebra.
Zebra. Stop! Don't.
Are you gonna say the animal?
Don't say it.
Baboon.
Barbara. The name Barbara.
See, we're not getting anywhere.
It's literally the hardest thing I've ever done.
I know.